Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you a little bit about my Integrative CranioSacral Diamond Light Therapy. It is a sum total of about 20 years of experience. It is a combination of different therapies that I've trained in, including CranioSacral Therapy, a little Yogic Wisdom, some energy medicine, and of course the Diamond Light. So with a hands-on in-person session, you'll get a little bit more of that craniosacral blend. And in a phone session, you'll get more of the Diamond Light. Both therapies involve using manual muscle testing to ascertain what's going on in the body now. So I ask the body questions whether or not it might be a physical injury trauma or a history trauma, meaning that's emotional, or whether it's caused by an accumulation of negative energies. We then use a combination of things to clear out what's going on. This therapy is really excellent for anybody that's working with anything chronic. It could be something acute, something that's happening right now. It is great for people that work with a lot of people on an ongoing basis, because there's an accumulation of energies in the energy field that sometimes begin to drain the system. And I spent a lot of time, a number of years, studying these energies and how to encapsulate them, transmute them, and restore well-being and healing to the body. So whether you want to see me for an in-person session or a phone session, you can gather more information from my website, kayemichelle.com, or just give me a call and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have.